Hi, welcome back. This week I've got another painting for you. This is a painting that I did live on Twitch. So you see things popping up on screen that aren't related to the painting. That's shoutouts or redeems that were happening on Twitch. If you'd like to join me live and watch the painting happen, or ask questions, or try and distract me with redeems, you can do that live at twitch.tv/twowheelsandcoffee. I didn't have much of a plan when I started this, as usual. I had a photo that I was using as reference for the background, and when I got about here in the drawing, figured it needed something else in it, and I decided to add a druid. I didn't use any reference for the druid herself, but I did use reference for the parrot or the macaw that you're about to see come up here too. Anyways, appreciate you watching the video, sticking around this long. If you liked it, do me a favor and hit the like button, or maybe subscribe. Where you can see any future content that I put out. Thanks for watching.